Barbecue.
Well, welcome back, everyone. Welcome to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. As you can see here, I'm putting my gloves on. Gonna get ready to do a video for you. Gonna do another Can I Grill That episode today, but as you can tell, the audio from this video was messed up. The wind was very strong. You can kind of see it in my clothes every once in a while how strong the wind was. Screwed up all the audio. You can't hear nothing. So you get me today. You get me talking into a microphone like a weirdo. So now that we're getting gloved up, gonna put on our fancy black gloves. Me and my buddy who's joining me today, Mr. Pilger himself, we're gonna grill some stuff for you. Here in just a second, I'll show you. What is he doing? He's dancing. Okay, cool. So we are going to grill some, here we go, get it, there we go, look at that, corn dogs. Little mini corn dogs for you, and a whole bag of tater tots. And we're gonna grill this up on my Oklahoma Joe pellet smoker, the Ryder 900 DLX. It's pretty awesome. I pretty much set it at like 300 degrees. We're gonna put everything on the middle rack today. That way, you know, we don't really have to put it on the bottom. We don't want to burn anything. Plus, the holes on the bottom grate are a little bit bigger, so we might actually lose something. So, here in a second, as soon as I open it up, there we go. We're gonna open it up. Chris is gonna help me. We're going to start putting everything on. I'm putting the mini corn dogs on first. The reason I'm doing that is because, well, I did. That's why. There's really no reason for it. But we're going to line them all up on this rack. Now, this rack is movable, so the rack is actually down on the lowest setting. Don't know if that makes a difference or not. I feel like it just brought it more to the heat. But I have the grill set to the smoke setting. That way, it acts more as an oven, really, than anything else, but you still get that smoky flavor, or the grill flavor. Alright, so now as you can see here, we are just lining everything up. I start to notice that my buddy Chris here is lining his up on the grates. So I start to do the same thing, except I moved mine a little bit closer. I started to realize we have quite a bit of tater tots. So I didn't really want to run out of room on the grate, so I started smashing mine together a little bit more. I don't know if that really makes a difference what your spacing is, but you know, if you want to get them all on there, you got to make sure they all fit. But the upper grate does hold the tater tots a little bit better. I leave a little space between them. That way the heat can get around them and get them nice and cooked up. But like I said, I don't know that really makes that much of a difference. Alright, so now they are all on the grate. Everything's on there. Like I said, Chris's is on there. We kind of ran out of some room. But whatever. That is what it is. So it's been on there for a little bit now. Now they're nice. They're starting to crisp up. Look at, they're getting a little golden brown. It's pretty nice. I like it. Look at that. Right there towards the middle of them, all the ones started getting really brown on the bottom, and they were really looking good. The corn dogs aren't split open yet, so we're going to leave those go just a little bit longer. Alright, so we're going to get the pan out. We're almost ready to pull these off. I think we're going to go ahead and pull some of them off. As you can see, if you look there close, you can see the corn dogs are getting brown at the bottom. All the tater tots are starting to get nice and golden brown. They're starting to crisp up. They're looking really, really nice. We're just going to keep rolling them around a little bit. That way they get a nice golden brown on all sides. But, you know, do how you want. If you just want to let one side go and then just pull them off, that way they're nice and warm, you can do that too. It's just kind of how you want to do it. This isn't rocket scientist, it's just cooking. Alright, so now everything is nice and golden brown. I kind of rotated everything a little bit. Just want to make sure it get nice. The center of the grill obviously got a little hotter than the edges, so all those ones that move in there in the center got a real nice gold tint to it, and they are amazing. Let me tell you, this thing's crisp up real nice, even better than what a fryer would do. Try to move a few of these other ones, and I decided, heck with it. It wasn't worth the time and the effort to try to sit there and flip every single one. So we're just going to go ahead and get them taken off here in just a minute. We're going to let them cook just a little bit longer first. I want to make sure we get them all nice and crispy. That way there's nothing that you bite into that's nice and soft. Tater tots are not meant to be soft. They're meant to be crispy. Personal opinion, but that's how I do it. So, all right, gonna take one off. Gonna try it out. You're gonna see, like I said, real nice, good smell to it. Love the way it smells. That, you know, you can tell it's been on a grill. Crispy. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how good that tater tot looks. That's probably the best way to ever cook a tater tot. If you have one of these pellet grills, or even if you want to try it on a regular grill, this is probably the best way to cook a tater tot. Now, get my gloves back on. We're gonna go ahead and get these suckers pulled off. They're all looking nice and golden brown. Look at that. Look, see, now that the corn dogs are starting to split open, time to pull everything off. All these corn dogs and these tater tots, these are from my kids. We actually cooked a brisket earlier this morning. So we're just gonna pull this off. We're gonna take them inside and feed them to my children for dinner. Look at that. Look at them all just come right off. Look how smooth that was. Oh man, look at that. Okay, get all those corn dogs off there, and then we're gonna take these things inside. Show you what they look like one more time. Sun's a little bright, I apologize, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, if you guys like what you see, I apologize for the crappy video this week, but this is another episode of Can I Grill That? Ooh, man, that sucker was good. It was the best freaking tater tot ever. Anyway, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, NewbieQ2020. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Follow me any way you can. See you later. Peace out.